Welcome back to Department of Quality Education. Dear student, you can learn so many session of under business law. Under this session, you can learn Patent Act and Copyrights Act, under which meaning and definition of patents, types and features of patents, procedure for granting a patent, meaning and definition of copyrights, features of copyrights, registration of copyrights. So you can study one by one. So dear student, you can remember or recall of this trade intellectual property from the business law of the third semester. Business economics of second or third semester. Okay. So the major objective of learn this unit is we are require the innovation and engagement with a whole community including academia, emergency, management, professional organization and the private sector. So the major knowledge acquired for studying this session is we are able to understand the what are the intellectual property, how it will be formed and essential of the patent and copyrights. So meaning and definition of patents. The term patent was originally derived from the Latin word petere, which means to open up. A patent is an exclusive right to apply in industrial innovation. According to section 2 subsection 1 subclass M of the Patent Act 1970, the patent means a patent for any innovation granted under this act. Types of patent. There are three kinds of patents: an ordinary patent, a patent of additional for the improvement or modification of an innovation, a patent granted in respect of convention application filled under section 135 of the act. Features of patent. A patent must be a respect of innovation and not a discover. A patents are regarded as intellectual property. Patent as utility. Patent must be a respect of process or a product. A patent is the exclusive right or the own use or sell. Patent is grant given for limited period only. Patent is based on claims. A patent is based on specification used in the making of the innovation. So procedure of the granting patents. So you can see the what are the procedure for granting the patents. First one, submission of application, examination of application, advertisement of acceptance of complete specification, opposition to grant of patent to the applicant, hearing of the parties, granting and sealing of patents. Meaning and definition of copyrights. The copyright is a statutory intangible right against the copying of the defined types of cultural, informational and entertainmental production. Section 14 of the Companies Act, Copyright Act 1957 define the term copyright to means the exclusive right to do or authorize the doing of any of the act. Features of copyrights. The copyright is the exclusive right of an author, playwright, composer, artist, etc. Copyright is the statutory intangible right against copying of the defined types. Copyright also include computer program. So features of copyrights. Continued. In case of copyrights, the protection is given for the expression and not for the idea. The rights available under the copyrights may be both positive or negative and negative. Registration of the copyrights. The filling of application for registration, registration of the copyrights, entries in the registration of copyrights, index of registration of copyrights, keeping open register of the copyrights and indexes, prima facie evidence. Amendment or alteration of the registration, rectification of the registration, publishing of rectification or correction. Dear student, you can know the more information, please refer the book Business Law under Business Law B.S. Raman, Business Law K. Ashwatappa, Business Law Dr. Alish Mani. In this also you can give the MCQ, multiple objective questions, under which the term patent was originally derived from dash Greek word, Latin word, French word or American word. Select the right answer. The Patents Act was passed in the year 1970, 1980, 1990 and 1995. Select the right one. How many types of patents? There are 2, 3, 4 or 5. Select the right one. Patent must be a respect of an innovation on dash, not discovered, discover, produced, improvement. You can select the right answer. How many procedures for the granting patent? There are 5, 6, 7, 8. Select the right one. The Copyrights Act was passed in the year 1937, 1947, 1957 and 1961. Select the right one or right answer. Copyrights, copying of different types of cultural, informational, entertainmental production, all of the above. Select the right answer. The right available under the copyrights may be positive, negative, both A positive or negative, or A and B, none of the above. Select the right one. Which section will deal with the copyrights? Section 11, section 12, section 13, section 14. Select the right answer. How many stages of registration of copyrights? There are 7, 8, 9 or 10. Write the or give the right answer. Okay, thank you.